Hello guys, this is HowToWeekly, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get paid on YouTube in 2018. So as most of you may already know, YouTube has changed a few things to the YouTube Partner Program. As of February the 20th, you can no longer get paid or monetize your videos unless you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 1 year on your channel. In 2017, all that you needed was to have at least $100 made on your channel, and then you could get the money through Google Adsense. But this is 2018 and things have changed. So what is watch time? Watch time is the complete amount of view duration that your channel has. So every single view, it could be anywhere from like a few seconds, a few minutes of total watch time. If you take the total amount of views you have and multiply that by your total average view duration, you'll get your watch time. If you want to know how much watch time you have, just head over to the dashboard on your YouTube channel and it'll show you. You can just sort that into the last year and that'll show you your total last year's watch time. And if you want to be getting paid, you'll need at least 4,000 hours worth of watch time. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if this helped, and we'll see you in the next video.